Hello. Okay, so these videos, I suck at them. I'm sorry. I have been struggling with these videos and Beauty is just staring at me. Hi. You want to come say hi? Come here. Come on, don't be shy. Oh, she laid down. Now she's just in my way. Beauty, come here. I love her. She's so cute. Alright, so I have, I think, like 3 months worth of rewards orders to share with you guys. I have been slacking. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the rewards order that I got in June. And we will figure out how I'm going to do the other ones. I think I might just do like 2 big hauls or something like that. I don't know. I'm going to jump right into it because I make these videos way too long and it's just ridiculous. So my June order, I'm really excited about it. I had to open it because I needed to start using the stuff. Beauty won't stop staring at me. What do you want? Come say hi. You're so freaking cute. If y'all get to see her face, it's so funny. You're so cute. Okay. We already saw the Ningxia Red. I love taking this in the morning and in the afternoon. It's like a nice little natural energy boost, antioxidant puree type of drink. Tastes good, and I love adding different oils to it and stuff like that to make it taste even better. Plus, it's really good for your immune system to add other oils in there, like vitality oils, because they're certified to be ingested. All right, so Ningxia Red. I'll show you the bottle. I took 1 bottle out already because I had to get my fix. My southern accent's really coming out right now. You want some? She over here sniffing it. That doesn't smell like anything. It comes in a bottle like this, and it's really good. Yeah. You want some? You're over here staring. It has lots of stuff. Oh my goodness. It's pretty much a blend of wolfberries. It's a whole fruit puree. It has blueberries, plum, sweet cherry, aronia, and pomegranate juice. And then it has a bunch of oils in there, like grape seed extract, orange peel oil, yuzu rind oil, lemon peel oil, and tangerine rind oil. Yum. Some of my family members are obsessed with it too. Related to the Ningxia, I got Sulfur Zine. And this is a Ningxia wolfberry fruit powder supplement. It's supposed to be really good for your joints. And I have some... She's laying her head on the what's it called? Like the bubble wrap stuff. She's just chilling. That's funny. So I'm gonna add Sulfur Zine to my daily Ningxia to try to see if it'll help with my joints. And I've heard it's really good for your hair and your nails. Like your hair and nails will start growing really fast. Healthy hair is always a good thing, so that's a plus. And I wanted to get Sulfur Zine for me and Beauty, my dog, because she's getting older, so it'd be good for her joints as well. This one has a little bit of stevia in it, so I need to get the pill form, and I'm just going to open that up for her so she can take it daily as well. This is actually kind of fun with her opening it with me. I like to save my promos for the end because they're fun. I get a lot of free stuff every month from these rewards orders. I didn't explain in the beginning because I have a couple other Essential Rewards hauls on my channel, so you can go to one of those and kind of get the gist. Pretty much it's just like a monthly subscription that I do. It's like a health and wellness type of box that I use all the time. I use all the products in here all the time, so it just makes sense for me to get rewards back on it, and it's also like an investment in my business, so it works out. And I love gifting this stuff to people too. I'm like obsessed with giving people gifts. It's kind of a problem. Okay, so this is one of my most favorite things ever. I can't even express. Whenever I go out in the sun, I sometimes get sunburns. Sunburns are really horrible. They suck. And this Lavaderm After Sun Spray, it is so good for sunburns and like any burns whatsoever. Plus it's good for bug bites as well. Me and my dad and a friend and other people have used this, and it has worked wonders for us. I had the worst sunburn on my legs once. Put this on there. It helps with like just that aching feeling, you know, when you have a sunburn. It helps with that, and then it helps it heal a lot faster too. Like if I know if I'm going to spend a day outside, I have to have this. Okay. This is a new thing that I haven't tried. It's not new, but it's new to me. And it's the Cool Azul Sports Gel. One of my friends was actually asking me if we had anything like hair gel for his curls. And I did some research because we don't have a specific hair gel. And apparently you can use Cool Azul as hair gel. And I tried it and it actually worked. And I got to take photo shoots and my hair was still wavy. And my hair never keeps waves or curls. It's just so annoying. And I used it and it works. It smells good too. This product's actually good for muscle aches. It's really nice to put on after like working out and stuff like that. I use the Mountain Mint deodorant. Was very hesitant to use any of the deodorants, and this is the one that actually has worked the best for me with like my pH levels and stuff like that. So I'd recommend this one if you want to try out any of them. I got some Thieves Whitening Toothpaste samples for members and just people as little gifts. I have a couple bottles of the insect repellent that I use for my horse and myself, and I like to make my own mixture for my horse and then add some of this into it as well to make it stronger. I got a couple dental floss because I use this like crazy and I love it, so I did not want to run out. And I also get chapstick every month for my members, and I put that in their little welcome boxes and stuff. Plus, I can never go without chapstick, so I always have to have some. Regarding the chapstick, I love the grapefruit and cinnamon the most. And then a couple oils that I got. I have lavender. I use lavender like crazy with face masks and stuff like that in my skincare routine. I got purification. I want to gift this to somebody. I've heard it's really, really good for flowers, and it worked pretty well when I used it for my little bouquet I had. I got lemon. I use this like crazy in face masks as well with lavender, and I just use it for everything really. It works so well with so much. A free oil that I got is Kunze. I don't know much about this oil, so I'm really excited to learn a lot about it and just try a lot. I've heard some good things so far. I don't remember any of them, but I remember it being a good oil. Another oil I got is Peace and Calming. I don't remember if this was free or not. The size reminds me of it being free, but I don't know. I love Peace and Calming for just like a nightly routine, using it before bed, and I actually keep Peace and Calming with me everywhere I go for anxiety. Ooh, I got Cool Azul for free. This is a kind of a pricey oil, so for me to get it free was crazy. And this pretty much has the same effect as that like cooling sensation, and it's really good as a chest rub and stuff like that. So I don't have this oil. I'm really excited. Plus a 15 ml, like, thank you. Oh, and I got citronella for free as well. I use citronella in the fly spray that I make for my horse, and it's really good for mosquitoes and stuff. So this is super, super nice to have during the summer. One last thing that I got for free is the Young Living picnic blanket. I love this. It's supposedly gonna be so good for like the beach and stuff. Like the sand doesn't stick to it. And it's supposedly really big, so I'm super excited to get to use this. It was a free product, and I'm just so excited about it. So I wanted to keep it really quick and simple for you guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you are excited to try out any of this stuff as well. I am so excited, especially about the picnic blanket. Thank you so much for watching. I am hoping to get those hauls up as well pretty soon. Let me know if you have any other videos that you want to see from me, like with different topics, stuff like that. I need some ideas. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!